Hello there, I'm Wei-Ling Chang from California. Prior to start my business, I was a department assistant executive for a mega hotel in Las Vegas. I worked long hours, barely have time for myself and people I care. I live paycheck to paycheck and live my life running in circle with no personal growth. I got so sick and tired and started thinking that there has to be more in life than just living in circle. Today I'm going to do a quick video and show you how to configure domain name server to your web hosting service provider. In order to configure your DNS server, you must first have a domain service provider like GoDaddy or Namecheap. Okay, and also you would need to have a web hosting service provider like HostGator. Okay, if you are like me, who choose not to put all eggs in one basket by having separate domain and web hosting servers, you will need to know how to configure domain name server to your web hosting service. First of all, I need to log into my domain service provider real quick. Okay. Once logged in, choose My Account and Manage Domains. Click on the domain that needs to be configured with DNS, and then click on Domain Name Server Setup. Okay. Once you're here, click on Specify Custom DNS Server. Okay, and then depending on your web hosting service provider, you will usually get something like NS1 your webhostingcompany.com and NS2 your webhostingcompany.com somewhere during your registration with your hosting company. Or if you did not get that, don't worry, because most likely it will be under your cPanel as well. So let me show you under cPanel real quick. Once you log into your cPanel, just drag, if you are using HostGator, basically just drag all the way down and you shall see your name server, which is right here, ns2331.hostgator.com and ns2332.hostgator.com. So the next step is simply copy and we paste. Copy and paste. Now that we've completed, just simply click on Save Changes. And voila! Name server updated successfully. Okay, so you now would have successfully configured the domain name server to your web hosting service provider. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to configure domain name server to your web hosting service provider. Most of my internet marketing skills were learned from the company called My Lead System Pro, or MLSP. It is actually more of a community that helps people to build successful business online. Through this community, I was able to generate my own leads for my business within first 2 weeks after I joined, and I now generate my own leads daily. Although it is a program geared toward network marketing business, the teaching inside the system could be used in any business to build online presence, drive traffic, and generate leads. So if you want to learn all the latest what's working now method and techniques, I highly recommend you to take the trial and learn from a community of 6- and 7-figure earners who are dedicated to your success with business. If you think that you don't need it, or you could learn by spending more time to research, well, stop cheating yourself from what's presented to you. The price you pay far outweighs the amount they charge, and you will really save you time for learning curve exponentially. So click on the link below this video and check out the presentation on MLSP. I'm Wei-Ling Chang. It's been a pleasure to share this video with you. Best wishes to your business and have a fantabulous day.